The senator representing Kogi Central Senatorial District has been suspended. This follows the investigation from the Committee on Ethics, Privileges and Code of Conduct, which cited her for total violation of Senate rules. According to the committee recommendations, read by its chairman, Senator Naija Imasuene, Senator Natasha's suspension will take effect from March 6, 2025. It's worth noting that Natasha's suspension stems from a sitting arrangement issue, but later snowballed into claims of sexual harassment by Senate President Godswill Akpabio.
Prayer 1. That the Senate do suspend Senator Natasha akpoti-uduaghan for 6 months for a total violation of the Senate Standing Rules 2023 as amended, for bringing the presiding officer and the entire Nigerian Senate in general to public opprobrium. Those in support of prayer 1 say aye.
Aye.
Those against say nay. I'd put the question. Those in support of prayer 1 say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. How do you amend a prayer that is unanimous? Prayer 2, that for the Senate to consider lifting this suspension or reducing the tenure of the suspension, Senator Natasha akpoti-uduaghan shall submit a written apology to the Senate before any reconsideration by the Nigerian Senate. Those in support of prayer 2 say aye. Those against say nay. I don't think, Senator Baribe, as a landlord of the Senate, I don't think they heard what I read. So let me just repeat for clarity. That for the Senate to consider lifting the suspension or reducing the tenure of the suspension, Senator Natasha akpoti-uduaghan shall submit a written apology to the Senate before the reconsideration by the Senate. Those in support of prayer 2 say aye. Those against say nay.
We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.